In this video, I'll dive deeper into the SmartMirror app and I'll show you how I capture and manipulate images in my office. Using the app couldn't be simpler. To capture a still image, take an image snapshot. I can inspect that image from the SmartMirror folder, and I can use it or take another one. I can take a video recording by pressing start and then stop. I can also adjust the intensity of the LED lighting. Images are stored on the photo library of your iPad in a special SmartMirror folder. And from here, I can share the image just like any other image on my iPad. In the next video, I'll review sterilization and charging of SmartMirror.